That's a great question. So Revivv is a unique product for hair loss. It's a naturally occurring product. It has extremely high safety associated with it, and it is a roll-on, and so it's very, very easy to use. And I have a number of patients on it who are very satisfied with the way they're able to use it. I think the way it distinguishes itself from the current available treatments, at least the pharmacological treatments, are in its safety. There are currently two products that are available for male hair loss. One is minoxidil under the brand name Rogaine, and the other is finasteride under the brand name of Proscar or Propecia. These medications are pretty good at preventing further hair loss, and in fact, sometimes even growing new hair, but they come with significant side effects. Minoxidil can be irritating to the scalp when rolled on directly, and when taken systemically via a pill, it has significant side effects. It's a blood pressure lowering agent, and so it can cause swelling, especially in the lower extremities or the ankles. It can also lead to elevated prolactin levels. Prolactin is a hormone that can in turn cause a decrease in the hormone, in the transmitter dopamine, and dopamine is extremely important. It's a well-known neurotransmitter that is important for drive, ambition, happiness, etc. And so you really don't want to interfere with that particular pathway if you don't need to. I don't really use minoxidil because of my concern for the side effects. Propecia or finasteride is another treatment for hair loss, and I'm well versed in that because it's a medication that's used to treat urinary conditions from enlarged prostate. It's a medication that interferes with the transition of testosterone, which is the male sex hormone, to its more potent sort of cousin, which is called dihydrotestosterone. And dihydrotestosterone is an important hormone. It is extremely important in things like sexual health, performance, libido, muscle strength, bone strength. And when you reduce that hormone, the dihydrotestosterone, and that's what Propecia does, you can have significant side effects, the most concerning of which is sexual dysfunction. And so one has to be very, very careful in treating patients with that, because rarely those kinds of side effects can be lasting even when you stop the medication. Revivv is a really nice option because it's naturally occurring, so you're not going to get any of these side effects. And the components of Revivv take into account the pathways that cause hair loss. And so the fact that it makes scientific sense based on its components to treat hair loss, the fact that it is much, much safer without these kinds of side effects as compared to the pharmacologic options is why I think it's an excellent choice to treat this problem.